Technology has been developing at a fast pace, and when it comes to the tech sector, it would be inappropriate to not think about Elon Musk and everything associated with his name. Among many of his projects, Tesla is one of the leading industries. Tesla is, without a doubt, one of the most successful businesses in the 21st century. Its headquarters are located outside Reno in Nevada, where Tesla and its main partner Panasonic manufacture battery packs for Tesla's automobiles, as well as energy storage goods and other products as well. But before we jump into today's topic, welcome back to the channel Let's Get Techy. As always, I'm your host Luke, and in today's video, we'll take you inside the massive Tesla factory. So if you're interested in finding out more about what actually happens behind these closed doors, then sit tight and don't miss a single section of this video. Also, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe icon and the bell too so you won't miss any future videos we upload. So let's get back to the video. Tesla's massive factory is one of the most cutting-edge automobile assembly plants that has ever existed anywhere in the world. Automobile factories typically possess a large number of distinct buildings, each of which house a particular stage of the vehicle manufacturing process. But in the case of Tesla, it's actually different, as the new Gigafactory houses all of these components under one single roof. The $4.5 billion facility near Reno, Nevada, is where Tesla and its main partner Panasonic make rechargeable batteries for Tesla Model 3 cars, as well as energy storage goods and other products, as we said before. It is anticipated that the facility has the potential to produce more than 1 million vehicles annually with just one building alone. This also involves the development of the Cybertruck, which appears to have come straight out of the scene from some science fiction movie. In the year of 2023, the angular monstrosity will enter the manufacturing phase. Despite the fact that Tesla factory employs somewhere in the range of 20,000 people, the majority of the labor is actually carried out by robots. Currently, the Gigafactory produces Model 3 electric motors and battery packs in addition to Tesla's energy storage products, Powerwall and Powerpack. The Gigafactory was started in 2014 outside Sparks, Nevada. Up until then, the work was continued in phases so that Tesla could begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand thereafter. The current structure has a footprint of more than 1.9 million square feet and houses approximately 5.3 million square feet of operational space across several floors. Nonetheless, the Gigafactory is only about 30% complete. Once it is completed, Tesla expects the Gigafactory to be the biggest building in the world, and entirely powered by the renewable energy sources it contains. Designed to be a net zero energy factory upon completion, the facility will be primarily powered by solar, which are installed on the factory's overall roof. The Tesla Gigafactory is divided into many sections. The first section you will come across is the finished vehicle storage section. This is where hundreds of thousands of finished Tesla automobiles are parked and getting ready to make their first delivery to customers worldwide. The next section is the enormous stamping press. In this section, Tesla used to make the doors and other components of their electric cars. There, Tesla has employed the IDRA 6,000-ton casting machine. The IDRA 6,000-ton casting machine is a very powerful machine, used for casting the front and back of the single-piece underbody of the Tesla electric model. Inside the factory, one of the major sections is the assembly line, in which enormous robots are working at full speed, each one working on its specific task. When one looks at these enormous robots that are working on the assembly lines and in other parts of the plant, one can get a glimpse of the alien dreadnought that Elon Musk has imagined for his company. The next section is the location of the paint shop. The Tesla paint section is considered one of the most advanced in the whole world, apparently. Customers who have already taken delivery of their Tesla vehicle have voiced their satisfaction with the production quality of the vehicles as well as the paint job on the vehicles too. Even in this department, all of the work is completed automatically by machines. Aside from that, many other sections of the facility manufacture Tesla products, such as the Tesla Powerwall, the Tesla Powerpack, Tesla Megapack, lithium-ion batteries, electric motors, and Tesla Semi. Regarding the Tesla Semi, Tesla is in the process of developing an all-electric, battery-powered version of the Class 8 semi-truck known as the Tesla Semi. 2 concept cars were shown off in November 2017, and it is expected that production will start in 2023. Apart from that, Tesla is installing solar arrays that are put onto the roofs rather than ground-based installations. Tesla currently has a vision of installing solar cells with a capacity of 70 megawatts. But until now, there are solar farms that are only a little larger than 24 megawatts. According to Tesla, this 24 megawatt is also enough for the whole factory. So they don't need the proposed 70 megawatt installation. Maybe in the future they will increase its capacity, but for now, the available power is more than enough. It has been growing in size for a considerable amount of time. In spite of the fact that the plant has been making lots of battery cells, packs, and drivetrains for Tesla over the past few years, work on the huge structure has stopped at about 30%. There is no evidence to suggest that Tesla will carry out its ambitions to finish constructing the enormous skyscraper in the foreseeable future, and there have also been no indicators that Tesla will be in the near future. Battery packs for Tesla's electric vehicles, as well as drivetrains and stationary energy storage products such as the Power Packs, Powerwalls, and Megapacks, are all manufactured at the same location where Panasonic manufactures battery cells for Tesla and its Gigafactory Nevada facility. Panasonic also uses this facility to produce battery cells for Tesla, which Tesla then used to make battery packs for the electric vehicles themselves. The surplus heat generated by machinery like compressors and high-temperature ovens, for example, will not only allow for the effective operation of such machinery, but it will also contribute to the factory's ability to stay warm throughout the colder months of the year. In addition to this, Tesla's Gigafactory is equipped with a water-based cooling system that can withstand extremely low temperatures. Because Nevada has such high standards for its air quality, during the day it is bone-chillingly dry and swelteringly hot, but at night it is bone-chillingly cold. So because of this, Tesla has a water tank in the backyard with a capacity of 10 million gallons, and they use it for air cooling. This is only possible because the water can cool off in the tank. A lot of the parts inside Tesla need chilled water to actually work correctly. Chris Lester, Vice President of Operations for Tesla, was quoted as saying, "We really wanted to get to the point where this was going to become truly a net zero operation, leaving a zero carbon footprint whilst creating products that leave a zero carbon footprint." Nevertheless, the year 2020 marked the first year where Giga Nevada turned a profit, because there has been a substantial increase in demand for Tesla vehicles recently. This suggests that their initial investment of $1.6 billion into the Nevada plant is now beginning to yield a return more than 4 years after it began operating at full capacity. When construction began in 2014, it appeared that Tesla was putting everything on the line with the Gigafactory, which would produce the batteries needed for the Tesla Model 3, the car that was expected to make or break the company and for which Tesla already had hundreds and thousands of orders despite the fact that the first deliveries were still more than a year away. And last but not least, the current location was chosen for Tesla because it had a rail link, it was easily accessible, and it had low air humidity, all of which helped to ensure that the production had a humidity level of less than 300 parts per million. Tesla was also given free access to the first 1,000 acres of the TRRC property. It should come to no surprise that the factory is also part of some controversy. In the month of August 2018, Carl Hansen, a former member of the company's security team, submitted a complaint to the Securities and Exchange Commission in the capacity of a whistleblower. But after some time, the investigation was later terminated with no explanation whatsoever. And on that bombshell, that's all there is about the Tesla factory and all the things that are related to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive daily updates and way more interesting videos. So until next time, take care of yourself and have a wonderful time, and thank you again.